Hello! In front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone 9. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter a wallet and select Add to Wallet. Now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass. And if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now, you can scan your card or enter details manually. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card. Simply select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.